The Great Deluge, a cataclysmic event, reshaped the very face of the earth. From its receding waters emerged a single family, the sole survivors of a world consumed by judgment. Noah and his 3 sons, Shem, Ham, and Japheth, stood as the progenitors of all humanity that would follow. These 3 sons, along with their wives, carried the seed of future generations. From them, a new world would be born, their offspring destined to repopulate the vast, empty lands. The biblical account of their lineages serves as a foundational text, offering profound insights into the origins of ancient peoples and nations. It is from these sacred genealogies that the diverse nations of the earth branched out, each finding its place and purpose in the unfolding tapestry of history. Japheth, one of Noah's esteemed sons, became the patriarch of a significant branch of humanity. His direct sons were Gomer, Magog, Madai, Javan, Tubal, Meshech, and Tiras. These names resonate through ancient history, often associated with peoples inhabiting regions to the north and west of the biblical heartlands. From Gomer, 3 distinct lines emerged: Ashkenaz, Riphath, and Togarmah. These descendants are frequently linked to groups found in Anatolia and the Black Sea region, their names echoing in historical and geographical records. Javan, another son of Japheth, also fathered a notable progeny. His sons were Elisha, Tarshish, the Kittim, and the Rodanim. These names are often connected with maritime cultures and island nations, particularly in the Mediterranean. Indeed, it is from Japheth's descendants that many of the great maritime nations are understood to have sprung. They were pioneers of the seas, establishing trade routes and settlements across distant shores. These nations, guided by their own destinies, settled in their respective lands, carving out territories and establishing their unique identities. Each group developed its own language, a distinct tongue that bound them together. They were organized by clans, forming cohesive units within their burgeoning nations, spreading across the known world. Ham, another son of Noah, also played a pivotal role in the repopulation of the earth. His sons were Cush, Mizraim, Put, and Canaan, each giving rise to powerful and influential peoples. These lineages are often associated with regions to the south and southwest of the ancient Near East. From Cush, a formidable line of descendants emerged: Seba, Havilah, Sabta, Raama, and Sabteka. These names are frequently linked to peoples of Africa and the Arabian Peninsula, known for their rich cultures and vast territories. Raama, in turn, fathered 2 notable sons, Sheba and Dedan, whose names are synonymous with ancient trade routes and prosperous kingdoms. Among the descendants of Cush, one figure stands out with particular prominence: Nimrod. He was a son of Cush and is described as the first potentate on earth, a mighty leader and empire builder. The scriptures declare Nimrod to be a mighty hunter by the grace of the Lord, a figure of immense strength and influence. His kingdom began with powerful cities in the land of Shinar, including the renowned Babylon, Erech, and Akkad. These cities became centers of early civilization and monumental construction. Nimrod's influence extended further, as he also established cities in Ashur. These included Nineveh, Rehoboth-ir, Calah, and Resen, the latter described as a great city situated between Nineveh and Calah. These urban centers represent the dawn of organized states and empires in the ancient world. Mizraim, another son of Ham, became the progenitor of numerous peoples. His descendants included the Ludim, Anamim, Lehabim, Naphtuhim, Pathrusim, Casluhim, and Caphtorim. These groups are often associated with the various peoples and regions of ancient Egypt and its surrounding territories. From the Caphtorim, a distinct and historically significant people emerged, the Philistines. Their presence in the land of Canaan would later become a central narrative in the history of Israel. Canaan, the fourth son of Ham, gave rise to a multitude of peoples who inhabited the land that would bear his name. His firstborn son was Sidon, and another prominent son was Heth. These names are linked to the foundational groups of the Canaanite civilization. The land of Canaan was populated by numerous other groups descended from Ham. These included the Jebusites, Amorites, Girgashites, Hivites, Arkites, Sinites, Arvadites, Zemarites, and Hamathites. Each of these groups contributed to the rich and complex cultural tapestry of the ancient Near East. The borders of the Canaanite territories were extensive, stretching from Sidon in the north down to Gerar, which lay near Gaza. This vast region encompassed fertile lands and strategic trade routes. The Canaanite borders also extended eastward, reaching the infamous cities of Sodom, Gomorrah, Admah, and Zeboim, which were situated near Lasha. These geographical markers delineate the significant reach and influence of Ham's descendants. Like the other patriarchal lines, Ham's descendants are meticulously grouped by their clans, each with its unique language, occupying distinct lands and forming their own nations. Their legacy is deeply interwoven with the early history of civilization. Shem, the third son of Noah, holds a particularly revered place in biblical genealogy. He is notably identified as Japheth's older brother, a detail that underscores his seniority among the three patriarchs. Shem is also uniquely designated as the ancestor of all the children of Eber, a lineage that directly connects to the Hebrew people. Shem's direct sons were Elam, Asher, Arpachshad, Lud, and Aram. These names are associated with some of the most ancient and influential civilizations of the Near East. Elam is linked to the powerful kingdom east of Mesopotamia, while Asher is the progenitor of the Assyrians, a dominant force in ancient history. From Aram, a significant branch of descendants emerged: Uz, Hul, Gether, and Mash. These groups are often associated with the Aramean peoples, whose language and culture spread widely across the region. Arpachshad, another son of Shem, continued this vital lineage. He became the father of Shelah, and Shelah in turn became the father of Eber. This direct line through Eber is crucial, as it leads to the very name Hebrew. Eber himself had two sons, Peleg and Joktan, whose lives marked a significant turning point in human history. Peleg's name carries profound meaning, signifying the division of the world that occurred in his time. This division is often understood to refer to the scattering of peoples and the diversification of languages, perhaps echoing the events at the Tower of Babel. Joktan, Peleg's brother, also fathered a numerous and influential progeny. His descendants included Almodad, Sheleph, Hazarmaveth, Jerah, Hadoram, Uzal, Dikla, Obal, Abimael, Sheba, Ophir, Havilah, and Jobab. These names are frequently linked to peoples and regions in the Arabian Peninsula, known for their rich cultural heritage and ancient trade networks. The settlements of Joktan's descendants extended significantly, reaching as far as Sephar, a notable landmark in the eastern hill country. This geographical marker highlights the extensive spread of Shem's lineage. Just as with Japheth and Ham, Shem's descendants are meticulously grouped by their clans, each possessing its own distinct language. They established themselves in specific lands, forming the foundations of numerous nations that would shape the course of ancient history. The genealogies of Noah's sons thus provide a sacred and historical framework, illustrating the divine plan for the repopulation and diversification of humanity across the earth.